This is a 2008 GMC Sierra. Strong, durable, and dependable. This GMC's list of numerous features includes power windows, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, satellite radio, an anti-lock braking system, a traction control system, and this vehicle has just over 52,000 miles. This truck's powertrain includes a 4.8-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Stop by today and test drive this truck for yourself.
Maple Crest Ford Incorporated is dedicated to do everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 102 East Main Street in Mendham.